Hey baby dolls, it's me Monique and welcome to the boutique. And so just like y'all, I'm trying to find things to do in the house. Every day it's something different. Today I was like, you know what? I want to burn a candle, but I don't like the packaging. And so I'm going to change the packaging. And so I thought, you know what? This would be a really good idea for those brides out there, even grooms, that are trying to kind of come up with some inexpensive ways to decorate their tablescape for their wedding. And so I know that we're in quarantine right now and all weddings and celebrations and graduations have all been canceled. But you know what? Eventually we're going to come out of this. And so now would be a good time if you do plan on getting married soon or in the near future. Go ahead and start doing things while you're here at the house, while you're at the house. And this is a project that literally took me about maybe 20 minutes, if that, to do. And I want to share it with you. And so it's featuring this beautiful, beautiful candle holder. And it's really not a candle holder. It's actually just a candle that I have reinvented and, did my own take on it. And I just kind of went with my imagination and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to be able to go out. So go ahead and just use what you have at the house. And so let's go ahead and start from the very beginning. And so from the very beginning, I purchased this candle from Michael's and I got it on clearance. It was normally $6, but then I got it on clearance after Christmas for $1.88. And so obviously it already had a covering on it, and I believe the scent is like vanilla or cookies and cream or something like that. I think vanilla. And I like to get the white candles because they're more neutral. So again, this just cost $1.88, the candle. And I've already burnt it, but this is what it looks like. And so I thought, okay, so now that I've taken the packaging, the original packaging, how can I spruce this up? And I remembered when I went to the Goodwill, I got a whole bunch of cards, and they were brand new cards, greeting cards, and they were like maybe $2 for like 30 cards, right? So this is one of the cards that was in the package. Right here, it says, "To my wife with love," and I just love the beautiful embossment of the rose. And you see that pearlized finish. The paper is a pearlized finish, and then it's got some little faux pearls on it. And then also, as you see, it comes with a ribbon. Okay, so I simply just took it all apart. I took this off. Okay, so I just took it off. And then I actually kind of opened up the card, and on this inside here, you can actually take this ribbon portion off, and so that's what I did. I took the ribbon portion off. So basically, I just wanted these two pieces, the little card portion, the card stock, and then the ribbon. So once I had that, then I was like, okay, so that's going to cover the first portion that was on the candle, right? And I actually took off that label, but then I figured, you know what, I didn't even need to do all that, but I went ahead and took it off anyway. And so what I did is I just hot glue gunned the ribbon portion first. And so as you see, I would have loved for this ribbon to have been, this bow to have been turned, but that's not, it wasn't possible with the way the dimension of this bow is. So that's okay. So what I did is I hot glue gunned it on here first, okay, underneath here, stuck it on there, and then brought both sides of the ribbon, and I think I stopped it like probably right here, and then the same thing with the other side over here. And then after I did that, that's when I hot glue gunned this portion on here. So then we had that, right? And I'm like, that's really, really beautiful. I'm feeling it. However, it still needs a little bit of something to just kind of be like, bam, bling, bling, right? And I remembered that I had these rhinestones from the Dollar Tree. And this one is different because it kind of has like little pinks and little turquoises and a little purple undertones in that, as you see. And so basically, I could have hot glue gunned it, but I didn't want to do that. So I just used the sticky portion that was already on there, and I just did 3 layers, 3 levels of those gems. And this is what we have. So I thought that was so beautiful. And so basically, I calculated that all in all, this cost me about $3.25. And I just did $2 for the candle. So that's $2. Then we'll just say that normally you could get a card for $1 at the Dollar Tree, a really nice card. And then these little jewels, I mean, we still have so much left here. And so I just said this is probably 25 cents worth of that. But we'll just go ahead and round it down to $3. And again, this will be an amazing idea. Here's my original wedding bouquet. So you could kind of see how it all kind of could go together a little bit with the whole wedding vibe. Tell me what you think about this. I really, really do love it. So let's go ahead and light the candle. So you can get a full effect of what your tablescape would look like. So there you go. And of course, you know, you would add more things. You would add flowers, maybe another dimension of another candle up high. The options are limitless, really, with something like this. But this is what it looks like. I'll bring you up closer. Yeah. Boom, girl. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but is it pleasantly beautiful? Yes, it is. So I love you, but God loves you so much more. Remember that pretty is as pretty does, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.